All right, Andrew, you want to start us off?
So they had me tricked and I tricked you. Oh my goodness.
This is an amazing class. We got to watch them with Mr. Bloom, and they're so polite and complimentary of each other, and it's because of what a great teacher they've got in such a learner. So this is such a well-deserved reward, and we're so proud of you. And, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, great job.
Congratulations, Peggy. We're so excited for you and we're very proud of you for winning this award.
You are very deserving of it. You are a go-getter. You are the leader of our team. You are the queen of first grade.
And we love how everything gets turned into a song. You always have a song for everything, Peggy.
Peggy, what a wonderful teacher you are. Gosh, the rigor in your classroom, the amount of participation by kids. Everyone's talking, everyone's learning. It's evident every time that I'm in there. Such a great community of learners. It's just quite an amazing environment.
Hi Peggy, congratulations. You are so deserving of this reward. One thing I wanted to highlight that I have always admired about you is you are always a learner yourself. No matter how much experience you have or how good you are at your job, which you're amazing, you are still open to learning new things and learning new ways of meeting the needs of students in your classroom. And I think that's tough. That requires vulnerability, openness, and lots of work to do that and to learn new things. I remember last summer you spent the whole summer learning new technologies so that you could meet students' needs during the pandemic. And I just think that's amazing.